Oh no! It looks like the fireplace pilot light went out. How am I going to enjoy the ambience of the fireplace now? Winter is here, and I'm trying to keep warm. They call me the Asian Phenom, and I'm the best at what I do because I review everything from A to Z. Today we are going to take an exclusive look at the Shinic electric fireplace. Oh my goodness, that's a stunning beauty right there. Check out that beautiful wood grain finish. Ooh, that's a nice carry handle. Hey, is that tempered glass I hear? And check out that realistic resin charcoal. You have your turn knobs down there. And on the back, you got a nice ventilation. And check it out, it even has a 3D flame effect and along with sound effects. So welcome to my living room. Let's go and turn this on. Right now it's off. If you turn the fan on, you have to gradually increase it to have it turn on. Okay, so now it's pretty much blowing cool air. Now, you can adjust the temperature accordingly, but you can get it directly right here. This is the level 1 heating, which operates at 750 watts or 2,559 BTUs. Now, if you have it on high, this operates at 1,500 watts, 5,118 BTU. And you can adjust the temperature with this knob right here. Oh yeah, that's warm, guys. That is warm. So this little unit right here can heat up a room 200 square feet. Right now it is super warm. But check this out, it doesn't stop there because check that out. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, the 3D flame effect is amazing. And that fireplace sound, it sounds so realistic. You see the ambience it's giving behind it and all around it? It's like that fire aura, it's like dancing around. I feel like I'm playing a video game. I could stare at this all day. And don't worry, this even features a tip over protection. How awesome is that? What makes it even more awesome is that you are able to enjoy the 3D fire effect and also the sound effect without having to turn on any heat. Just admire that for this amazing beauty. Not only is this fireplace beautiful, it's so useful, it heats up so fast, literally with a couple of seconds. And we already know how much using a gas fireplace can cost, and you guys will not believe what it costs just to keep the pilot light on. Yeah, go ahead and Google that. So if you're looking for the ultimate electric fireplace to help you save some money and to make the living room beautiful, definitely give the Shinic electric fireplace a look.